Hello, we're going to open our very first paper pumpkin. So I signed up as a new demonstrator and we just got our first paper pumpkin in the mail today, February 2018. Right there.
Thanks for watching.
Alright, so here we go.
Here we go.
Oops, careful. So hold on. So as a welcome gift to Paper Pumpkin, we got a, we got a clear block. So this will come in handy if you don't have one for future projects. Alright, so this says that 5 years of Paper Pumpkin, subscribe now, and then your March box will have a special free gift, so that's exciting. So make sure to sign up. So let's get to it. Paper Pumpkin, here we go. So we got a garden green little mini pad. We got our stamps, celebrate, friend, thank you, your awesomeness, big time, so much, hello sweet, and some flowers and a line. And here's the actual kit. So let's take a look. This is called Wildflower Wishes, and it's a really pretty set.
Ooh.
Is it pretty?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, no.
So in our Paper Pumpkin, we got a little spool of thread.
Yeah, and yarn.
We got some
Thread.
adhesive dots, some dimensionals, some little pearls.
Yeah, I like pearls.
9 envelopes with a really pretty flower on the inside that doesn't go all the way down, but it's still really pretty.
I got this in
We
here.
got 9 of those.
Look.
Cool. Let's see. We got our card bases. Okay. So there's 9. There'll be 9 card bases as well. Already scored and ready to go.
Oops, sorry for bending this.
Okay, so there's...
I guess we can't use that.
Yeah, we can't use that anymore. So there's 3... Okay, so there's 3 of each of these. Okay, hold on. These have little flowers. These are little kind of triangle or diamond designs. Hold on. And then
I love now.
these are stripes, so that's fun.
I feel I love now.
These are little die cut pieces. So we got 3 different
Can I see?
sets of those. Okay. Then we got some vellum cutouts, die cuts, little leaves, and some banners.
Yeah.
Let's see. So we got some stickers that say friend.
I like stickers on our body.
Some flowers. Ooh, some more hidden die cuts. Some more leaves. Celebrate and thank you. And these are stickers
Can I use some
that
too?
will leave. Ooh, I just ripped that one.
Why?
That will leave the letters so you can use other projects for them. And then, of course, okay, hold on. We have the instructions. So how to make the cards. So that's really fun.
Yeah. Together.
So check back later and we'll have some alternate projects or ideas using the Wildflower Wishes. February 2018 Paper Pumpkin. Thanks.
Scrub, scrub, scrub. It's amazing. Thank you for watching.